Hey, I'm Zane, your AI guide for this journey. If you've ever asked Siri a question, watched a YouTube recommendation, or messed with Snapchat filters, guess what? You've already met AI. But today, we're not just using it, we're going to understand it. So let's break this down. AI, or artificial intelligence, is like teaching a computer how to think, to make decisions, solve problems, or recognize patterns, kind of like a brainy robot. Now, under that AI umbrella, we have machine learning, or ML. ML is the part where computers learn from data. The more they see, the smarter they get. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. The more you play, the better you get. And here's the shiny new member of the squad, Generative AI, or GenAI. This is AI that doesn't just analyze, it creates. It can write poems, design images, make music, even code. Yeah, ChatGPT and DALL-E, total GenAI stars. We'll even dive into prompt engineering, aka the secret art of talking to GenAI so it gives you exactly what you want. Over the next 4 weeks, you'll build, test, and create with AI tools that are shaping the future. And you won't just be learning, you'll be leading. So buckle up. Zane's got your back. Let's get smart with machines.